Alright guys, so we started unmounting everything from that frame in order to take out the engine. This is a main red battery cable in someone's perspective, not in ours though. Jesus Christ, this cable, it's all melted. I have to admit, I was a little bit angry when I found out that I need to take apart everything, but in the same time, I immediately got excited and happy because I understood then that I will have the chance to learn this baby all the way to the last bolt and washer. And this is good news from my mechanic perspective and point of view. And one of the first things that I've learned about this engine is that this bolt that you know from the last video separates the transmission side from the crankshaft side. So the oil from the transmission gets separated by the oil from the engine. And because the thread was destroyed, oil was passing from the transmission through the engine. Therefore, the crank side was overfilled with oil. And this answered one of my questions from when I actually started looking at the bike and saw that the oil level was over the limits. I mean, it was too much oil on the engine side, which is really not something that you want, especially on this kind of a sports bike, which you kind of rev a lot, and you change gears very fast, and especially when you're starting from lower gears, you go very fast through first, second and third gear, all the way to the fifth gear, so you definitely don't want a drive transmission. So, because there are two guys on YouTube, at least two guys on YouTube that are explaining step by step how to do this job, take off the engine and rebuild the whole engine, I won't get too much into details like a step by step, you know, do it yourself. I will let the link from these two guys in the description, so you can also find the very useful information that I also got from these two guys. Really nice explanations, and very professionally worked from both of them. I congratulate them for that. So I won't insist too much on the following, but let's just go step by step and real fast see what we've done so far getting into this state. I'm super excited about where we got so far, afraid in the same time, because this beast, it's quite a piece of engineering. But because I already have the inspiration that I talked to you about, that's fine, that's okay. We will manage to actually put everything back together. I'm confident about that. But it will require patience and calmness when we start the rebuild. So we need to wait for the original trans oil drainage bolt, because I want to have the exact same size as the original head. And I also want to measure the thread pace, the thread pitch, so I know exactly how I need to repair that destroyed thread. Happy to tear this boy apart so that we can make it 100% or try to reach as close as possible to manufacturer's state. And as you can see, this crankshaft needs special attention, for it's too playish for our expectation. Okay, so we've also sent the crankshaft for reassembly and truing. I bought new rod and bearing, and brought them to a local shop where they have all the necessary tools for this procedure. Okay, and obviously because we are here, we will replace almost all the bottom bearings. It would be a pity to just put everything back together as it is, right? So I also bought all the bearings, almost all the bearings, the essential ones. I would say 95%, except two. I will show them the ones that I didn't bought, but they're not supposed to such higher forces as the others. So I think it's cool to let those two unreplaced. But let's keep these for the following videos on this project. So stay tuned. If you stay so long with us, it seems that you like the video. So feel free to also express these feelings by liking this video or sharing it with your friends or in WhatsApp groups or wherever you would like to share it. And yeah, also please subscribe to this channel. I just checked the stats today and 90% of the viewers are not subscribed yet. So this would be a great help to subscribe to this channel, because it will keep us motivated to do some more work like this. Until the next one, peace.